Hi, today we're going to work with long vowel phonograms, very much like we did the short vowels on Monday. So if you remember back to first or second grade, when you learned things like ache, and then you had to build words with it, like cake, or no, that's not a word you would know. I would know in my church, steak. Brake, like on a car, brake, like that. Anyway, or words like ice, where you had to make mice and lice. That kind of thing that you have done before. I know you've done that before. What would be another one? Let me think, or let me look. There's a lot of 8 ones. I want to do an E one. How about just double E at the end of a word, like tree and sea? Okay, well, you will find that these things also appear in multisyllabic words. That's a big fun word, isn't it? Multisyllabic. It means it has more than one syllable. And we've been working on syllables for quite a while now. So you could have words like this one. Degree, which has 2 meanings. You can get a degree when you go to college, or you can talk about how many degrees it is outside. There you go, degree. Or you can have things like, oh, I don't know, I'll have to think. Let me think. I'll think of one. This is really hard. I don't know. Maybe some other ones. How about we can do backbone. It has that O-N-E, own. We can do, there's this huge list of words, wait till you see it, that you have to work with today in your assignment, that has all kinds of these double syllable words that have the parts in it, like daylight. Now, I know that in 2nd grade you made a bunch of words with this ite. Ite, fight, might, light. But now we're doing longer words like daylight. And then there's words like behind, where we used to make kind. Words like outside with that eyed, where we used to make hide and, I don't know, something. But so we're just doing the same thing that you have done for a long time, only now we're doing it with words that are longer. So today's assignment, you get this list of words. I don't know if I could show it to you very well, but it's got a huge list on it. And you're going to look those up online. There are two lists. You just pick one of them. And then we will give you this piece of paper that has the little parts on it. All right. And so you go through the parts, mark it off, and then mark it off on your other sheet, a word that has that part in it. And what you're trying to do is to get 7 in a row. Right? You're trying to find 7 words in a row, going through and doing these one at a time. So you look at this word, IDE, and then you look at your big chart. I guess I should have printed that off. You look at your big chart online, and you find a word that has IDE in it at the end, and then you mark that word off, and then you go to the next part. And that would be IND. And then you come looking for a word like behind, and find it in there, and mark it off, and see if you can get 7 in a row. So that's the plan. And you only have to pick one of those pieces of papers. There are 2 of them, 2 to choose from. It doesn't matter which one. There are 2 pages with words like that. There are so many words that you can read if you'll just notice that it has an ending that you already know. Anyway, thanks. Have a good day.